ओके ये खा सकते हैं
हाँ खा सकते हो ऐसी
खा सकते हैं ओके लेट मी ट्राई दिस it's good. Greetings and good morning from the noisy and busy streets of Hyderabad. Today we are going to be exploring the vegetable market, and it's not just going to be any normal vegetable market. It's one of the most renowned vegetable markets in Hyderabad, which is also called as the farmers market, which is well known as Raitu Bazaar. You guys must be knowing if you reside in Hyderabad. So yep, I've heard a lot about this market. I've never been to markets like these. I usually go shopping in the supermarket, so I thought why not explore Raitu Bazaar for a change. So yep, join me on the adventure. Okay, so this is the starting point. We have lemons, we have different kind of leaves. भाई साहब क्या है ये कौन सा लीफ है कोरिएंडर कोरिएंडर ओके कोरिएंडर कितना है कोरिएंडर एक किलो किलो में बेचते हो कट्टे कट्टे कितने में बेचते हो 30 रुपया 30 रुपीस 20 रुपीस ओके वाओ फ्रेश है ना ये कहाँ से आता है ये मतलब ये फार्मर्स मार्केट है तो आप लोग डायरेक्टली ओके 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 so this is the entrance of the model Raitu Bazaar. Wow, this place smells of vegetables. You know, there is an eclectic mix of smell that comes from this vegetable market. Let's check around. We have carrots, green chilies, beans. Let's see what all we have over here. So as I was saying outside, establishments like this in the southern part of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has been running for over 20 to 30 years, and markets like this have different kind of branches all over Hyderabad, all over Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region, where farmers have the option to buy whatever they want to. They cultivate all their crops from the farms and sell it directly here without giving commission to anyone, so there is no middleman involved. So the high amount of commission that is usually paid, especially for the products which are from the supermarkets, the places that we buy. So you see vendors over here selling their vegetables early in the morning. We have tomatoes, French beans, radish, garlic, vast array of vegetables around the Raitu Bazaar of Hyderabad. Let's carry around and see if we find something interesting. Tomatoes. ये tomatoes है ना कितना है 1 किलोग्राम टोमेटो 40 रुपए 40 रुपीस ओके ओके और ये फ्रेश है ना सुबह ही आया ना ये ओके fair enough. We have lady fingers, and let's see some vegetables that we have never seen all our life. Something like this. ये क्या है बहन जी ये क्या है अदवी 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 इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं अदवी को इंग्लिश या हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं अदवी मैं कभी भी ये नहीं देखा मेरे जिंदगी में नहीं देखा ये हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम अरवी ओके ओके अरवी so you guys if you know what arvi means please put down your comments below in the video. Let's see around. We have carrots, we have beetroots. ये beetroots है ना बीटरूट कितना है 1 किलो 30 रुपए किलो 1 किलो ओके ओके fresh beetroot 1 kilo for 30 rupees. Quite a deal for the money. We have some agricultural shops selling vegetable seeds, flower seeds, fertilizers. Wow. Wow, this market is bustling with people. Considering the ongoing pandemic, I thought this would be quite empty. But no, people don't seem to care. Let's see what we can find around. What do we have here? Let's carry around. We have papaya. ये papaya है ना? कितना है papaya?
30 रुपए किलो।
30 रुपए किलो? Okay. Fresh papaya है ना? अच्छा. Thank you जी. So as I was saying, usually when you go to the supermarkets where you get processed foods, prices seems to be way too elevated. But over here, since this is a farmer's market, most of the prices are as per the market value. So usually the prices are exactly as per the market value. There is no middleman, there is no commission involved. So the farmers are allowed to set markets over here every day, and they have the obligations to sell them. Wow, this is kind of interesting. We are going into the spice market. We have chilies, red chilies, garlics, and more red chilies, and ginger, my favorite. ये ginger है ना भाई साहब? कितना है 1 किलोग्राम?
80 rupees kilo.
80 rupees kilo. Okay. So, do you know places where you can get vegetables for this cheap? Because the places that I usually go shopping, it's not this cheap. So, it's kind of fascinating to me. Let's carry around and see what we can find. So, markets like this are in abundance in cities like Hyderabad, since the government has made it convenient for the farmers to open. Government has given places like these to farmers to sell their vegetables, especially in dire situations like this, where where due to inflation our economy has drastically dropped. It's kind of convenient for farmers to sell the products directly from their farmyard into the city of Hyderabad without having to go into any sort of middlemen. So it's fascinating. Wow, you have apples. कितना है भाई साहब apples? कितना है 1 किलोग्राम? 100 rupees for 1 kilogram of apple. Wow. और ये सब कहाँ से आता है? ये apples आता कहाँ से? हिमाचल प्रदेश. Okay, yes, okay. So 1 kilo of apple for 100 rupees. Quite a bargain. Wow. I've always want to know what this is. भाई साहब ये क्या है? ये क्या है? सूरज. मैं ये पहली बार देख रहा हूँ सूरज. इसको खाते कैसे? खाना है? Okay. Aloo fry. Okay. So surang is the name. If any of you guys know what surang means in English, please let me know in the comments. Let's see what we have. Tomatoes, lady fingers, something that looks like surang. Wow, we have brinjals. We have small brinjals. I've never seen brinjals this small. ये brinjal है ना? कितना है 1 किलोग्राम? 1 kilo? 1 kilo. 20 rupees? 20 rupees 1 kilo. Okay. 20 rupees. Okay. Wow. Quite a place in Hyderabad. हाँ छोटू, हाय. क्या बेच रहे हो? क्या बेच रहे हो यहाँ पे? Potatoes. Wow, potatoes. Fresh potatoes. कितना है 1 किलोग्राम आलू? 1 किलोग्राम कितना है आलू? 1 kg. कितना है?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. Wow, so you have 1 kilogram of potatoes being sold for 30 rupees. Just 30 rupees. Wow. Thank you. नाम क्या है तुम्हारा? हैदराबाद से हो? Wow, nice meeting you guys. Let's carry around. Wow, such wonderful people in the Raitu Bazaar. Let's see what we find here. We have pumpkins. We have something which is, what is this called? इसको क्या बोलते हैं भाई साहब?
इसको कंदा गड्ढा बोलते हैं।
कंदा गड्ढा। और मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इसको खाते कैसे है मतलब?
इसकी जो है ना,
हाँ,
बॉईल करके खाते हैं।
बॉईल करके खाते हैं।
बाद फ्राई करके खाते
तो इसको पील नहीं करना पड़ेगा, डायरेक्टली बॉईल करके खाते हैं आप
ऐसा-
लोग? ओके, ऐसे खाते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी फर्स्टली कट इट दिस वे एंड इट्स बॉइल्ड एंड ईटन। आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज. इट प्रीटी मच रिजेंबल्स लाइक गुआवा बट
फ्राई करके खाना।
ओके ओके ओके. मैं ये सब पहली बार देख रहा हूँ. हैदराबाद में वीडियो बना के अपने दोस्तों को दिखा रहा हूँ. थैंक यू भाई साहब, थैंक यू.
कोई बात नहीं,
Yeah.
दूसरी बार भी देख सकते हैं आप आज।
ठीक है, पक्का, डेफिनेटली. वी हैव पम्पकिन्स, वी हैव पपायाज. पपायाज कितना है भाई साहब?
30 rupees kg.
30 रुपीज़ 1 किलो. वाओ. एंड फ्रेश पपायाज. या फ्रेश पपायाज. और ये सब आता कहाँ से, मतलब
खेत से आता है.
खेत से आता है?
Garden.
Yep, as I said, this is a farmer's market, so all the vegetables from directly come from the farms. पूरे डायरेक्टली खेत से आता है, तो कोई मिडिलमैन नहीं है. आपको कमीशन वमीशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं
नहीं
है,
है.
क्योंकि ये डायरेक्टली खेत से आता है. वाओ, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. वंडरफुल मार्केट हियर. हाँ,
हमारा इंडिया ग्रेट है।
हमारा इंडिया, जय हिंद भाई साहब, इंडिया ग्रेट है. यस. वाओ, वंडरफुल पीपल ऑफ हैदराबाद. I mean, like I said, despite all the adversities, people are still happy selling their vegetables in the market, and you know, it's kind of fascinating to see this. I thought a lot of people would be asking me to buy the products, but no, they were happy to show themselves in the cameras. Wow, never experienced this. Quite an experience that I'm having today. What do we have here? We have chilies. Fresh chilies from Rajasthan. Garlic. We have well decorated lemons, tomatoes. Wow, look at this. We have green chilies. Look at the size of these chilies. Have you guys ever seen chilies this big? Wow. Let's check out this alleyway. Fresh potatoes. What are these? This is certainly not orange. Do you guys know what this is? I wish I could ask someone here. We have carrots. Wow, we have chilies. I've never seen chilies this big again. Wonder how spicy and hot these are. And we have beetle leaves again. The popular beetle leaves usually consumed in states like UP and Madhya Pradesh.
मारते उसको फिर हम पुलिस में।
Wow, quite a scene here in the bazaar. We have coconuts over here. Coconuts, hai na bhai? 3 coconut, 50 rupees. Yeah, like just the price says. 4 coconuts for 50 rupees. Fresh coconuts from Kerala. Wow. We have onions. I think the cheapest vegetable. Okay, we have carrots and we have something which we saw earlier. Let's ask now. Bhai sahab, ye kya hai?
बुढ़वा बुढ़मा
Budua. Budua. Okay.
डोसा का है
Okay, dosa kai. Okay, dosa kai. So you guys, please let me know what these are. I'm not familiar with this language, so yeah, I hope you guys can help me below the comment section. Wow, look at this. We have huge pumpkins. Okay. This is sweet potatoes. 1 kilo sweet potato कितना में? 40 rupees? Wow. और ये क्या है? ये पहली बार देखा मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी।
छोचो बोलते हैं उसको।
चोचो। चोचो। और ये कितना है? 1 किलोग्राम? 30 रुपया। 30 रुपया। वाओ, ग्रेट। अच्छा है। ओके। ये खा सकते हैं रॉ?
हाँ, खा सकते हो, ऐसी
खा सकते हैं? ओके, लेट मी ट्राई दिस. It's good. So you can have 1 kilo of sweet potato for 40 rupees?
40 rupees.
For 40 rupees. Wow, in supermarkets they sell it for over 150 bucks, but you can come to the farmers bazaar over here, which is also called as Raitu Bazaar, and buy. Wonderful. Thank you, bhai sir. So let's see. We have onions, potatoes. I think this is ginger. भाई साहब ये ginger है? कितना 1 किलोग्राम ginger? 80 rupees. Okay, okay, fair enough. So as I was saying, the farmer markets, which is also called as Raitu Bazaar, the vendors all over here are farmers from the villages across the proximity of Hyderabad, and they get this land over here by the government to sell their vegetables directly, so that they don't have to pay any kind of commission, so that they can avoid all the middlemen. So all the products that we buy from the supermarkets are either processed or it's being passed over a lot of people. Let's have a look around. आप क्या बेच रहे हो भाई? ये बनाना है। ये ड्राई बनाना है, राइट? ड्राई बनाना। सो ड्राई बनाना 1 किलो कितने में बेचते हो आप?
10 rupees का है, 20 का 3 है।
20 rupees for 3 bananas. So you get 3 bananas for just 20 bucks. Fresh bananas directly from the farms. So ये farmers market है ना? यहाँ पे सब डायरेक्टली फार्मर लोग,
डायरेक्ट फार्मर आ
ये कोई सुपरमार्केट जैसा प्रोसेस नहीं है। यहाँ से डायरेक्टली फार्मर्स अपने वही खेतों से डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे बेचते हैं, और गवर्नमेंट लोग आपको ये लैंड देते हैं बेचने के लिए, राइट? वाओ, एज आई हैव सेड, दिस इज अ फार्मर्स मार्केट. थैंक यू भाई साहब, थैंक यू. We have spinaches and different kind of leaves used for cooking Indian staple food. Potatoes. See what we have in this alleyway. Lady fingers. Tomatoes. Wow, we have cabbages. भाई साहब ये कैबेज है? इतना छोटा? पहली बार देख रहा हूँ इतना छोटा कैबेज। कितना है 1 किलोग्राम? 1 किलोग्राम 30 रुपए। ओके, फॉर 30 bucks 1 kilo of cabbage, that's pretty good. अच्छा है। Let's have it. Well, seems like we're coming to the end of the journey. Market doesn't seem to be as bustling as I thought. Maybe it's because of the coronavirus. So yeah, I think that's pretty much end of the vegetable market adventure. It was kind of fascinating, and yeah, seems like it's better to come to places like these to do shopping rather than going to supermarket where you get processed foods. Over here it comes directly from the farmyards by the farmers themselves selling it, so there's no middleman who's taking commissions, you know. So yeah, from now on I'll probably come here to buy my avocados, my carrots, and all the other ingredients used to cook staple Indian food. And that's enough from the market of Raitu Bazaar in Hyderabad. See you guys in another video. Till then, stay lit, stay safe, and peace out.